What's up guys, welcome to Track Use. I'm Yolam and this is our Subaru BRZ track car. So this is going to be the first video in our channel. I wanted this to be like an introduction for you guys to know what's coming, what kind of content we're planning to create. We have a lot of stuff planned for the car actually. Like we already have a couple of stuff installed on the car. I don't know if you can see it, but we have the seats. We have a kickback system, NVIDIA N2, which is pretty loud. We're going to be getting KW V3 coilovers pretty soon. So I think that's going to be the next video actually. We have new discs, new pads. We're planning on doing a full maintenance on the car, including engine oil, transmission oil, diff oil, brake fluid, stainless steel brake lines. We're going to be installing a half cage, and we already have the racing seats, and we're going to be using harnesses, 4-point harnesses with that, and we're going to be deleting the rear seats. We have a full exhaust system coming, Tomei unequal length headers, overpipe, front pipe from JDL Auto. It's going to be pretty loud, but should sound really good as well. I'm sure a lot of you have already noticed that I'm not a native speaker, so this is going to be a little bit more challenging for me to basically go over everything, but good things happen when you get out of your comfort zone. So we'll see how it goes. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching.